This next company you're about to see will show you just how universal its product can be.
By definition, pressure is the burden of physical or mental distress. In the industrial world, pressure is best defined by Midwest Instrument, the world's greatest in the differential pressure market. Controlling the movement of liquids and gases, industries rely on differential pressure gauges for a variety of applications. And because these applications are vitally important, Midwest Instrument is the company such industries turn to.
Midwest Instrument is a niche manufacturer of differential pressure instruments, offering the widest product line with industry best deliveries. Midwest Instrument designs and manufactures all of our products in Sterling Heights, Michigan. This allows us to customize our products for our customers, eliminating leak points, making them more reliable, or making it easier for the customer to install, saving them time and labor. We also can achieve industry best lead times while still customizing the product. A great example of this is our Backflow test kit, which is a super custom differential pressure gauge designed specifically to protect drinking water by testing backflow prevention assemblies. And we can do all of this private labeling for our customers, and we do extensive testing on our product, which allows us to offer a 5-year warranty, which is industry leading. These are some of the factors that make Midwest Instrument a value-added supplier to our customer base.
As an American manufacturing company with complete control over all key products and processes, Midwest Instrument maintains a state-of-the-art facility in Sterling Heights, Michigan, which enables them to custom design and manufacture, a process their competition simply does not do.
The benefit of being an American manufacturing company starts with the workers. American workers are the most productive and the most creative workers in the world, and we utilize that fact to deliver our products quickly to our customers. Midwest Instrument maintains a climate-controlled, state-of-the-art facility to allow us to maintain the high tolerances required to manufacture our instruments. This is also a great environment for our employees to be very productive and creative in performing their jobs, which ends up with a value-added product for our customers where they get the best valued product on the market with the best quality.
Becoming the most relied upon and trusted differential pressure company does not happen by accident. Midwest Instrument is the world's greatest.